Bada bing, bada bang. Tonight we're doing Bossam, delicious Korean pork wraps. And look at that kimchi. And for Icha, we're gonna go test out some anju.
Let's start, y'all.
Let's start. Alright, hey guys, we're in Sadang and we're going to another matjib on our guide. And the name of this matjib is very easy to remember. What is it, Katie?
Sigol Bossam and 감자 옹심이.
Yes, good luck. Same exact seat we sat last time.
Yeah, we always are positioned here.
Their hit menu is Sigol Bossam countryside pork wraps for 2 people around $35. Then you can mix up that pork meat with duck meat, or you can mix it up with oysters. Of course, a little bit more expensive. And then look at their a la carte menu.
They have the seafood pancake, potato pancake, some makguksu, and some mandu. Wow, look at that.
And this restaurant makes their own in-house kimchi. Just look at that. Just look at it. Just look at it.
And it's not bossam without raw garlic and chili peppers.
Got sooljibs and some samjang. And then now what you see is dongdongju. Dongdongju is similar to makgeolli. Both are rice wines. And I just love pouring makgeolli into a bowl and drinking out of that. I don't know, it's just a small thing, like an idiosyncrasy.
Guess what? They even give you the sundubujigae as a service, the spicy tofu stew. I probably burned my tongue on the first one.
Alright, then let me show you how a professional does it. Some perilla leaf, then a layer of boiled pork, then some spicy radish salad, then of course that homemade kimchi on top, then top it off with some aromatics, cheongyang chili pepper with some doenjang, then a piece of garlic slice, and then some onion to top it off. All in your mouth, and all you gotta say is yum 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 yum.
What's the first word that comes to your mind? Don't be long.
Antarctica. Beef melting in my mouth. That's a wrap for Ilcha. Finished.
Y'all still have room for Icha, right?
For Icha, we're going to Kodachaya. And this is a sooljib that we go very often. We like it's a sort of a self-service themed. You get a beeper and then you can walk around to all these different stations that do different types of Korean anju. Just an enormous list of gourmet bar foods. So now I saw this guy making dakdongjib, so I ordered chicken gizzard. And no need to wait on the server, we can go pick our own beer. And my favorite part of this whole restaurant, this machine. I mean, thank God for engineering students. Look at this beauty. And my favorite part, wait for it. Oh, yes.
Cheers, everybody, in a summer night.
So everyone's got their own special way of opening a soju bottle. This happens to be mine.
한 잔 쭉쭉 해, 그래. 쭉쭉 마셔고 가자. 네, 부장님 해야지. 부장, 잘했어.
And if you're drinking by yourself, there's always a pretty girl on the bottle. You know, you just ask her if you can drink with her, put her right over the shot glass, and then every time you take a shot, she's there. She's always smiling at you, making that soju taste sweet. Now Katie pulled out her phone and said this photo should look more inspirational, so I had to oblige. I took it, and how did it taste?
Daniel, go!
How about you go? How about you go? Alright, about time. Our chicken gizzards have arrived, and this one is pan fried with some chili peppers, some garlic, and you can dip it into that sesame oil. It has a little bit of salt in it, perfect seasoning. Now I really like these deep fried, but this one, just as good. There's a little thing near our house. Let's go win some teddy bears.
Come on!
This is Kitty's favorite machine. Kitty, what song are you going with? I hate that song. Oh yeah, 125 BPM, baby, coming right at your face.
그게 무슨 뜻이야?
Beats per minute.
아.
Doing well. 3 games off of $1 so far. Oh no, it's going towards us.
Major or minor 눌러.
Major, we go big, baby.
와, 어려워. 와.
Game over. Kitty, any last words before we depart? Our neighbors?
See you.
Adios.